Let's take 3 sheets of paper and make one fabulous page with a new technique. Stay tuned. Okay, you all know the deal, or some of you do. If you're new here, welcome. And my spiel is, go right here, this website. You can learn about the join offer. We're paying you $1 right now to join my team in this no pressure, no minimum direct sales business. Whether you want a commission on what you're already buying or you want a business where you sell to however many customers you can gather up, anywhere in between, we love you all. We'll take you all. You can also contact me to schedule a beginner class and get some free stuff, whether you're local to me or not. You can find a link to my Creative Memories website where you can shop some of the products we're going to use today. You can also find my goodies, which is my Amazon wish list, or my must-have list, I guess. My stamp and storage affiliate login, and all of my no longer available items, digital products, and pre-made scrapbook pages. And lastly, you can go on there and register for crops and retreats. Some have Zoom options, so I would love to see your smiling faces. Anyways, we are going to work with sunflowers today. We are going to use 3 sheets of designer paper and some border stickers, and I think we're going to throw in a border maker punch as well. And with this fun technique, we are going to embellish our pages, and it's going to be beautiful. So, let's get started. Okay, so I have some sticker strips. I have a piece of green with the sunflowers on the other side. I love, love, love this one. And then I'm going to build on this yellow. I love this one too. I really love this paper. What I'm going to do is cut this in half because I only need half of it. And I'm going to cut it at, let's cut it at 6. Which I know is hard because we got to get our little arm out. One tip that I'm really trying to focus on is cutting, since I'm right-handed, I'm going to cut up instead of pull down, because when you pull down, you might have a tendency to pull this way and then you don't have straight cuts. Don't put your trimmer away. We're still going to need that. I do, however, want to... This is scrap. You can save that for later. I want to cut some borders. I haven't decided which one I want to do though. But I'm thinking this mirrored scallop would be cute. And I'm just going to go with it. And I'm going to cut it in this green. And we're going to cut, let's cut 3 of them, just to be on the safe side. Remember, there's a little line here on your housing and a little line on your ruler that you can match up. But you can also feel when those teeth are in the correct groove. Pull your little guide out. Close the magnet, get rid of the guide. And then just line up those little dashes, marks. Now, this is just an idea I came up with in my head from a sketch I saw in the sketchbook, not the newest one. And I don't know if it will still be available when this video airs, but I might have some if you missed out. So make sure you contact me or go to my Creative Memories website to see if you can't get the newest sketchbook. But like I said, this came from a sketch that I saw in an older sketchbook. Okay, this we might use for photo mats. Actually, we are going to use for photo mats. So set that aside. And actually pull this back out because you might want that for photo mats. Not sure yet. We'll see. All right, so like I said, I found this sketch in a sketchbook, and had an idea to create it easily, and I'm hoping that it works. We are experimenting, folks. Caution. All right, so my idea is to put these stickers diagonally on here, but I see now that that's not going to work. Probably. So my second idea is just to go ahead and cut this in half, and we're going to do that by putting corner to corner here, doing a slight, so I'm putting opposite corner to opposite corner. I'm going to put that point that creates on my cut line. Oops, we want to go the other way. We're putting this folded edge on the straight edge up top, and we're putting this down here. You might have to actually fold it for this to, maybe don't crease it, just kind of fold it like that. And then put that corner on the cut line and put your folded edge along the top and then cut. You should have 2 triangles. There you go. So my idea, my plan is probably too complicated for it to work, so we'll just do something else. And then we're gonna do this. Isn't that pretty? This would be really good for paper that's a little bit busier, that you don't want, you know, to tone it down a little. And then I'm going to put one of these borders along each thing. See, the problem we're going to have, as you can see, is this extra. So that's why we cut more than one. So I'm just using some repo on my silicone mat again. I'm going to put this as far as I can over here, and I'm definitely wanting to cover up some of my busy sunflowers. I think we probably could have cut this shorter, this piece, to like a 3-inch strip and then cut it. But it's okay. Okay, and then I'm just gonna line this up to this one, and then we'll trim that off with some scissors. Because we'll use it on the other side as well. And then I'm going to layer some of these other stickers on here. And we might do the same thing-ish. Or maybe we'll just center it on here. Yeah, we'll do that. That's pretty. I don't even think you need this other piece up here. That's really pretty. We're going to do it anyways. Pay extra attention to your fold line. If you put tape on there, it'll help hold it down. Let's do this one. So if you don't have sunflower fields, I highly recommend it. It's a very pretty collection. And it's a smaller collection. There's not much that goes with it, really. I guess there's a designer paper, there's stickers, there's a little small embellishment pack, and there's mats. We just need a little bit more here. Cut that off. And again, I'll use my sticker. Oops, I forgot to cut that off. So with this sticker, I'm actually covering that seam up so you can't even tell that I pieced that border together. Looks very cute. And we still have this much, but I don't think we're gonna need it, so I'm gonna toss it. Now we need some photo mats. And I can't decide, but I think we're gonna do green. And I think we're just gonna do green. And we're gonna do some 4x6s. Actually, I'm gonna do one 4x6. And then with this one, I'm gonna cut it in half. So we're gonna do 3x4s. This will probably be scrap. Let me see what it looks like here. I want this one like this. And these two like that. I love it. Taping it down, not overthinking it. And then we can embellish a little and we'll be done. And that was a pretty quick and easy page. And I taught you the technique of how to cut our 12x12 paper in half diagonally. I wish my other plan would have worked out. I was going to put all this on the center, which I maybe could have, right? I could have built it from diagonal to diagonal and then cut it in half. Maybe we'll try it again someday. I had a plan in my head and then I panicked that it wasn't going to work out. Okay, we do have these embellishments. And I have these stickers. I definitely want a title of some sort. And I love this. You Are My Sunshine. Now that song's going to be stuck in my head all day. You're welcome. I know y'all are humming it. That's so cute. And then we better put some sunflowers around it, don't you think? Something with a little bit of greenery. I like these because they're already layered, so you get the foam square effect without foam square. No more foam squares, but we get dimension. Love it. All right, and then we should probably make another little cluster over here. I love this. I love you like the sunflower loves the sun. And I think that's probably gonna be good enough. Yep. Look at how pretty.